quick video on the snipping tool. The snipping tool will cut out a part of your document and turn it into an image, which makes it resizable, and it also makes it all stay together. Right now I have this text and these two pictures in my document. Okay, if I want to make them into a resizable image or copy and paste them anywhere else, I load up my snipping tool. The snipping tool is found, and usually the best way to find it is just to type snip down here and it'll load it up. I go ahead and pin mine to my taskbar because I use it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and open the snipping tool. Okay, here's my previous snip. This shows you what I did when I was working with this panda bear. I went ahead and outlined him in yellow. But right now we're going to look at the modes you can use in this snipping tool. Click this down arrow. You see you have a freeform snip, which I very rarely use because I don't have a steady enough hand to go around and actually freeform snip it. You can do a rectangular snip, which will snip it easily and rectangularly, and you can also do a full window snip. So for right now, we're going to do a rectangular snip, and we're going to snip. I'm going to go to New. Notice my page grays out because it's in the snipping mode. I'm going to go ahead and snip this whole thing right here, just like that. I encircle what I want to snip. It's on my snipping tool. I go ahead and I right click on it and I go copy. And I'm going to paste it over here on a publisher document I started up for this. So I'm going to go ahead and erase these two that I had before, and I'm going to go paste what I just snipped. See, it all came over together. No one can change it because it's one image, and I can resize it to however big or small I want it to be. If I wanted to just snip out the panda bear, I would go back to my document. I would get my snipping tool. I would go New, and I would just snip out my panda. And right click, copy, and put it over on my publisher document. There's my panda. So we use this snipping tool when we want to combine things together, when we want to take a copy of a picture and we can't otherwise insert it, or we want to, I use the snipping tool a lot when I'm writing programs, writing worksheets for these programs that I teach. For example, I just go up here to the ribbon, I go to the snipping tool, I go New, and if I want to talk about the ribbon, I just go ahead and snip it. The part of the ribbon that I want to talk about, copy it, and paste it into my document. There are many, many uses for the snipping tool. Once again, you find it just by going to your taskbar down here where it says type here to search, put in snipping. It will come up. I pin mine to my taskbar so it's always available to me, but you can get yours over here whenever you need it. This is a quick video on the snipping tool.